Convert the quadratic equation in a standard form to a quadratic equation in a vertex form. So we already have this equation: y is equal to 8x squared minus 16x plus 27. And if we want this to convert into the vertex form, first of all we will try to find the vertex of this quadratic equation that is in standard form. We already know if we want to find the vertex, we find the axis of symmetry, that is a formula minus b over 2a. And now we are looking now at the equation, and this is a minus sign of the formula, and we look, and this is a, this is b, and this term here is c. So the coefficient in the front of x squared is equal to the a, and this coefficient here is in front of the x is a b. So we take in those formula is a minus, and instead of b we plug in minus 16, and now down we have a 2 times a, but a is a 8, and now we are going to see what we get. And negative times negative is positive, so is a 16. But here 2 times 8 is 16. 16 divided by 16 is 1. So x is equal to 1. And now we want to find this equation to find the k, h and k. We are looking for the vertex, which is h times k. H is equal to 1. We already find here the axis of symmetry, and we want to find the k, the other the y coordinate, and a value of 1 we can plug here in this quadratic equation. Instead of the x we plug it here 1, and we can find here very easy. So because we have 1 we don't need a calculator, it's easy to calculate. 16 times 1 plus 27. And if we are looking here now, what is going to be equal? 1 square is 1 times 8 is 8. Minus 16 times 1 is minus 16. 8 minus 16 is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 27 is 19. So we already got the vertex. The vertex is 1 and 19. Now we can convert this standard form of quadratic equation into the vertex form. And the vertex form is already y is equal to the a times x minus h. Everything here is a square plus k. But here the first factor here, 8, a is equal to 8. So whenever we have the leading coefficient in quadratic equation in standard form is the stretching factor or a compression factor. So a is equal to 8. So now we have everything. We have a vertex, we have a hk and a. So y is equal with, since a is equal to 8, is x minus 1 square plus 19. So we already converted from the standard form into the vertex form. And this you can try, for example, and how you can solve it, how you can convert it from standard into the vertex form, and you can verify that is easy and it makes sense.